Hello. Uh, Today, I'm just going to show how to configure your account to use any of the BYOA services built using Omnistrate. As you can see, I have in front of me is a MySQL service, uh, and it has two resources on the left, the cloud provider account and the DB. So first, click on the cloud provider account and click Create cloud provider account instance, and you will see that there is a link over here to download the Terraform kit. You will use this kit to configure the role and service account in and set up your account to build a trust relationship with the vendor, and then use that to provision and give privileges to the vendor to the provision, scale, and manage instances in your account on behalf of you. So I'm just going to click and download the Terraform kit, and then I'm going to go to the Bash terminal. I'm going to just quickly transfer this thing, and now I'll get this at Terraform and here you go. Now, if I do a quick readme cat, as you can see, I have to do only 3 steps. I have to configure my AWS account. I have to call init and I have to call apply, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And so let's first configure the AWS account. So call AWS configure for that. And I've already entered the access key before, but let's just, for the sake of it, let's just enter it again. And enter the secret key. And the default region name is US East 1. It could be any region you guess. Now you can see that the credentials files is properly populated. I don't have any instances in this account, but I'm just making sure that I am configured perfectly. So this looks right. And now I'm going to go ahead and simply call Terraform init. And the last step of the process is to call Terraform apply. It will show all the changes that it's going to make. Just type yes, and it will apply all the changes. And here you go. And so with that, we have configured our account, and it will print out a role information over here. You can just copy paste this role information and put it here along with the account ID. For now, we're just going to configure AWS and just say create. And this will set up the cloud account information once it's ready. Get the ID from here. For now, here you go. Say create, and it's launching the MySQL DB instance. If you go back, you can see this instance is ready, and this will deploy. I will pause the video and come back when the MySQL instance is ready. The MySQL instance is running now. Click at the endpoint, and MySQL -h, the endpoint, username, and the password. And here you go.